Faster, you magnificent beast! We're almost there! Let's go! Hurry, hurry! Faster! Easy there, Fluffy. We're just going for a little walkies. Faster now! Hurry up, hurry up! We must escape! Come on, come on! We must escape! Hurry up, or the farmer will catch us! What happened? Are they crazy?
Happy farm, A-E-O. My lovely farm, A-E. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, little one, what happened?
The thief just came and took our 3 camels.
Hello, police. 3 of our camels have been stolen from the farm.
We found out about the thief. The heavy bike is at your farm.
We need to get there fast.
Look! The thief is sitting here, and 1 camel he sold.